Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we got something nice here. Look at this. I found this out on my property. This is gorgeous. Alright, I plan on using the bottom part here. This is flipped upside down from what I showed you. I'm gonna cut a circle right there so I can get all this stuff in here that's loose, solid it up. I don't know if this is going to turn out, this wood. I don't know if it'll be able to be turned good, but we'll find out. And there we go. It's up in there. We're going to fill this with some of that pearlescent red. Alright, so the first one in there, and that's going to hold it down. So I've got a few ideas what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to be able to, I'm going to have to put some more wood in here so we don't use as much resin. So let's get to that. This wood is fairly punky. I've gotten just sanded with 60 grit so far, and it's not doing well. So I'm going to soak it down in some of that sanding sealer I like right here. Wow, that's going to look so cool. Now look at that. I mean, that's just a preview of what it's going to look like. And I'm going to get so many thumbs down just because it's a resin project. I don't understand it. A pretty bowl is a pretty bowl. It doesn't matter if it has resin or wood. Tell you. But haters are going to hate. We're going to try a new product today. This is Axe Abrasive Sanding Paste. Got this over at Pole Barn Productions. He was doing a giveaway and I won it. So we're going to give it a try. We're going to... Alright, now the restoring polish. That looks pretty good. Let's get a few coats of shine juice on there and see how it looks. Let's talk about how I screwed up on this bowl so far. Alright, I put the wood inside the bucket. I put the resin inside with it. I did not put enough wood in the center, so I used a lot of resin on this bowl. And now I'm just cutting it away. So it's a big waste. What I should have done is fill the entire thing, the inner portion of that piece of wood with other wood. And it would have saved me a lot of money in resin. This is super hard to turn. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this done. God, I just chipped out a piece of it. I hit my tool on it. So I'll have to round this off a little bit more. Not a big deal. Alright, after 3 carbides, I finally got through that hard spot, so. Alright, so what I had to do is, I had to redo the outside here. It just wasn't like I wanted it, so I got the outside redone. Let's firm this wood up a little bit so I can sand it really good. Alright, we're going to try some of this this Axe polish and restoring paste. Almost doesn't need any OB shine juice, but I'm going to put some on anyways. And there's the money shot inside. Let's do the outside. Oh, there it is. Alright, let me get 6 more coats on here, and then we're going to flip it around, take off the bottom. Again, you want to subscribe to the channel. You want to hit the subscribe button. You want to hit the bell. And you want to watch more of Moonpie Creation videos. Go now.